Let's stay in the Eastern Cape and take you to where the EFF leader, Julius Malema, and his bodyguard, Adriaan Snyman, are expected back in the East London Magistrate's Court today. Now, the two are on trial for the unlawful possession of a firearm and ammunition, and including recklessly discharging it at an EFF birthday celebrations. These were in 2018. Linda Mnisi is at court and joins us now. Linda, good morning to you. You've already tweeted the images of the EFF leader. In fact, I think I see him a short distance behind you there. This is the start of the trial, is it?
Well, it's the continuation of the trial, Paul. You'll remember it started last year around March and had to be postponed, I think, in September to allow, of course, the legal representatives to be present in this matter. The last postponement was as a result, in fact, of Julius Malema's lawyer unavailability, basically. So today, then, this matter will continue here at the East London Magistrates Court. I'm joined now by the EFF spokesperson, Sinawo Tambo. Sinawo, thank you so much for your time. We're back and hoping, of course, that the matter will continue. As far as you know, are you ready to proceed?
Look, we're not ready to proceed. We're outside the court now because there's load shedding, ironically. So the court system here in East London Magistrates Court is not operational because there's no electricity. And this speaks to the point of what we have been saying for a very long time, that the government of the day is collapsing this country. Law and order and justice is being delayed because of a lack of electricity. And we can't proceed as things stand. We're ready to, we came here on time, we were here at 9. We're ready to proceed with the case, but we're unable to because there's no electricity.
One of the things that AfriForum says around this particular case is the evidence that was given by the ballistic expert that the state called the last time. Are you at all concerned about the evidence that has been presented by the state so far?
Look, there are discrepancies with it. I mean, the so-called ballistic experts have kept the shells for a number of days. Well, the shells were kept for a number of days in an unidentified location before they were actually handed in as evidence. The possibility of tampering with that is extremely likely. There's just inconsistencies with regards to the evidence, how it was handled, how it was kept. And look, we're going to argue in court and make that case, as we did the last time that we were here, that there's no verifiable link to the President and Commander-in-Chief, Julius Malema, to whatever they're trying to pin on him as things stand. And the evidence that is being presented by the state is actually revealing that they're shooting themselves in the foot. So it's part and parcel of the state allowing itself to be manipulated and abused by AfriForum, like many cases we've been attending.
At some point in the case, Julius Malema's lawyer, argued that they were being ambushed by presenting certain evidence of certain witnesses. Do you think that those issues have been resolved with the state in terms of what needs to be given to the defense and in terms of discovery?
Look, we hope so. We hope they've been organized. We hope they're going to operate with integrity and hand over all discoveries to us and not surprise us with witnesses and evidence that were not briefed to our legal team. So we hope that the state will operate with some level of integrity this time. We have faith in the judicial system of South Africa, but unfortunately it's not operational now because of load shedding. So we want to tell our people this is exactly one of the reasons why we should embark on a national shutdown on the 20th of March 2023. Because what happens to victims of rape who are here today who are seeking justice? What happens to victims of crime who are here in a court today seeking justice and can't receive it because someone has switched off the electricity?
Thank you so much for your time, Sinawo Tambo. The EFF spokesperson will make his way into the court. The court has just been opened right now. I've been standing outside for quite some time. There you see Julius Malema walking into the court building. He's been waiting alongside some of the EFF leaders or the leadership of the party who are here to support him, complaining, of course, about the delays that we're already experiencing at 9.